Hello YouTube, back again. As promised, this is going to be part 2 of the Clearing the Lakeside View Behind My House series. I just went through 13 amp hours worth of Dewalt batteries with the new upgraded 16-inch Dewalt 20 volt XR. We got some combat kittens here doing their lion training. Say hi, combat kittens. They're not interested. And this is what we got now. Much clearer. I would say I'm about a third of the way done. Still got I would estimate I've cut down about 80 or 90 saplings, and I probably got about another 120 to go, I guess, till I got my view. I'm going to leave all the evergreen trees up, and anything, this tree right here, right in the dead center of the frame, anything that big or bigger, I'm going to stay and trim up. But anything smaller than that is coming down. So I still have a lot of trees over there. But you could already see, compared to part 1 of the video, that you could see my lake down there way better. So my goal is to get all this. Now in all the other videos you saw with my camping area, that's over yonder on the other side of those trees. But my goal to get all these out of here so that I have a nice, clear, but still shady view of the lake down there. So that's part 2. I estimate we'll have at least 2 more parts to this video. I mean, it went a lot faster than I thought it was going to go, so I thought it would take me weeks to do this, but now I'm hopeful I get this done by the end of the week. So yeah, outstanding. And you can see my boat down there, right there. That came with the house, and you know, now I should be able to access it and actually use my lake, because last year the thing was inaccessible. So that's where we are. Thanks for showing some interest in what we're up to out here on the homestead. Okay, YouTube, you have a great day. Freedom by me, out.